Today we'll be taking you through the step-by-step process of installing your Jeep House Jeep Wrangler camping tent. From unpacking the tent to attaching it to your Jeep and securing it for use, let's get started. Let's start by opening the camping tent storage bag. Inside you will find one rain fly, Jeep attachment straps, metal pegs for anchoring the tent, ropes for securing the tent, 3 fiberglass tent poles, 2 long and 1 short, and some spare parts. Begin by unfolding the tent and laying it flat on the ground. Make sure the elastic attachment sleeve is facing the rear of the Jeep, as this section connects to the back of the vehicle. Next, assemble the fiberglass poles by connecting each section together. The tent has sewn-in pole channels that the poles slide through. Insert the poles by pushing them through the channels rather than pulling them, as pulling may cause the pole sections to separate. Feed the first long pole through its channel, ensuring there is approximately the same amount of pole extending from each end. Repeat this process with the second long pole. Having 2 people for this step is recommended. Then insert the shorter pole through the center channel of the tent. Once all 3 poles have been inserted, the tent should look as shown. Now lift the tent from the center of the first long pole and carefully arch it. Inserting each end of the pole into the mounting points at the bottom corners of the tent as shown. Repeat this process for the opposite end of the pole, then repeat the entire process with the second long pole. Once both long poles are secured, install the shorter center pole into its mounting points as shown. This step is also much easier with at least 2 people. Next, attach all of the tent clips to the poles. The tent frame is now fully assembled and able to stand on its own. Take the elastic attachment sleeve and fit it around the rear of the Jeep as shown. Next, secure the tent to the ground by driving the supplied metal pegs through the loops at the bottom corners of the tent. Repeat this process on all 4 corners. Once it is correctly positioned, secure the tent to the vehicle using the supplied hook straps. There are multiple ways to attach the straps depending on your vehicle setup. So you can use the method shown or secure them in whichever way works best for your Jeep. supplied ropes, tie each rope to the attachment loops on the tent. Pull the ropes outward and secure them to the ground using the supplied metal pegs. Repeat this process on all sides of the tent to ensure maximum stability. To open the doors or windows, simply roll the fabric upward and secure it using the attached straps as shown. Repeat the same process for the mosquito mesh. This is the same method used for all doors and windows on the tent. Once completed, the inside of the tent will look as shown. And the fully assembled tent will look like this from the outside. For wet weather, install the supplied rain fly by placing it over the tent and attaching the hooks on the rain fly to the loops located at the bottom of the tent. Repeat this process on all four sides until the rain fly is fully secured. Finally, the tent can also be used as a standalone camping tent by simply detaching it from the Jeep while leaving it fully assembled and secured to the ground. This concludes the installation of your Jeep House Jeep Wrangler camping tent. Thank you for choosing Jeep House, and we hope you enjoy your outdoor adventures.